Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious salad sandwich. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and your preferred bread, perhaps a hearty whole wheat or a tangy sourdough. The star is a creamy salad filling, whether it's a classic egg, tuna, or chicken salad. Make sure everything is chilled for the best flavor and texture. Now, let's craft that perfect filling. If you're making egg salad, chop 6 hard-boiled eggs and mix with 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. For tuna, drain 1 5-ounce can of tuna and combine with the same amount of mayonnaise. Add finely diced celery or onion for a delightful crunch. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite herbs, then mix until smooth. Time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast 2 slices of your chosen bread to prevent sogginess and add texture. Spread a generous layer of your creamy salad filling onto 1 slice, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Next, arrange crisp lettuce leaves and juicy tomato slices on top of the filling. Finally, place the second slice of bread to complete your perfect salad sandwich. Your delicious salad sandwich is ready to be enjoyed. For an appealing presentation, cut the sandwich diagonally. This makes it easier to handle and adds a classic touch. Serve it immediately with a crunchy side, like potato chips or a refreshing fruit salad. Savor the fresh, satisfying flavors of your homemade creation. A pickle spear on the side adds a wonderful tangy contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.